In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline in ClickUp. If you've ever wondered how to see your tasks laid out across days and weeks so nothing slips, the Timeline view is your best friend. We'll keep it simple and make sure you leave with a clear, reliable schedule. First, head to ClickUp. Open it in your browser or the desktop app and sign in so you're looking at your workspace. The Timeline view works at any level, space, folder, or list, so it's important you're in the right place. Next, choose the space you want to review. A space is the high-level area that groups related work, like marketing, product, or operations. Pick the space that contains the projects and lists you care about right now. If your work lives in a specific folder or list inside that space, it will inherit the same process from there, but starting at the space makes it easy to get a big picture view. Before opening the timeline, make sure every task you want to see has a due date. Timeline relies on dates to place tasks on the calendar, so undated tasks won't appear. Open each important task and add a due date that reflects when it should be finished. If a task spans multiple days, adding both a start date and a due date allows ClickUp to display a bar across that range. If you only set a due date, it will show as a single day point, which still works fine. Consistent dates are what make your timeline trustworthy. Now click on View. You'll find the Views bar at the top of your space, showing different ways to visualize the same tasks like list, board, calendar, and more. Views don't change your tasks, they simply change how you see them. From the Views menu, click on Timeline. ClickUp will lay out your dated tasks along a horizontal timeline so you can instantly spot overlaps, crunch periods, and open gaps. This makes planning realistic and helps teams avoid conflicts. If something looks off, update the task's dates in its details so the timeline reflects your plan. As your work evolves, keep those dates current and your timeline view becomes a living schedule you can trust during stand-ups, planning sessions, and reviews. That's it. You've headed into ClickUp, selected the right space, ensured your tasks have due dates, opened the Views bar, and switched to Timeline. Use it regularly, keep dates accurate, and you'll always know what's happening, when, and where your team needs to focus next.